Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Magnet token. Now the Magnet token just came out within the past 24 hours on the Solana blockchain, and I saw so many big central exchange listings for this token pop up. Pretty insane how this token is just exploding here. All these central exchange listings on big central exchanges right off the bat. According to Dex Screener, this token is up 17,000% and has a 24-hour trading volume of over $75 million. So needless to say, this token is doing insanely well. Now we're going to go over the information on the Magnet token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So name of the token is Magnet, and the ticker symbol is actually like the magnet emoji. So this is like a new thing I'm noticing here, is that people are using emojis now for ticker symbols. So that's interesting there. Now this token here is you can find it on SolScan. You can find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Now this token was created on pump.fun, and that's where you can tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now on Dex Screener, there's a quick audit here. It says no mintable tokens, contract is not freezable. Also, community takeover claim already on here from yesterday. So this token came out, it says here, 18 hours ago, 18 hours, 11 minutes ago. So that's how brand new it is. Today is October 12th, and already there was a big community takeover. So it says a community claimed ownership for this token, October 11th, 2024. It says, you guys just updated it to another rug. Please stop updating to anything that isn't listed under the community. So I'm assuming right now that this is the real contract and everything on Dex Screener. But this real token here just got listed on a whole bunch of different central exchanges. They do have a Twitter community, right? The x.com/i/communities. And they have here, I'm going to put up probably the Dex Screener chart in the corner of the screen, what the community looks like, and then maybe something to do with their brand new central exchange listings here, because there is a bunch of big central exchange listings. So their Telegram community has all of the new recent updates in it that you could check out. And I can't give you the legit address because it's a bunch of numbers, but basically you could find it real easy on Dex Screener. This token is trending number 4 on Dex Screener right now. Has a market cap of $9.8 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. So they have here 99.87% of the total liquidity locked and burned in Raydium, and that is $512,000 worth of liquidity. They've had over 107,000 transactions, and this token has a 24-hour trading volume of $75.8 million. Price is around 1 penny per token right now. So it says the magnet means something it means hope, and it means belief in something in our world. Everyone else is just living in it. I don't know who put this community claim thing and this little description here on Dex Screener, but I mean, it's pretty broken English, you know, when you try to read it. But anyways, that has really nothing to do with anything. But yeah, so this token here, you could find newly listed here. One of the exchanges I saw it listed on is xt.com. So it says new listing. They will list the magnet token in the innovation zone October 12th. So that just happened today. And as well, this token just got listed on Mexc Global. So I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So basically, all you'd have to do if you don't, to get this token, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Magnet, and then simply just buy the token. Now, the only place really is the Sol Scan and the charts where they have the ticker symbol that is the actual magnet emoji. But if you look on all these exchanges, name of the token and ticker symbol is Magnet. And yeah, I don't know what that dude on Dex Screener's talking about. You guys updated to another rug or whatever. Like, that's kind of a weird thing. I think he's talking about the original one was a rug, and maybe somebody put the wrong contract address in the second time on Dex Screener. But I mean, this token is definitely going very strong. We'll see what happens in the future. But it also just got a huge central exchange listing on Lbank, which is another big central exchange. Bitmart, another huge. These are all today too. This token just came out and is getting all these big central exchange listings. And then Mexc Global. It's a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, so you could also get it off DEXs as well. So yeah, the XT one. I mean, if you just scroll through, you know, like token listing sites on Twitter, you're going to see all sorts of new listings. Ascendex, another one it just got listed on as well. Ourbit, like so many, almost too many to even go over here. But yeah, the big ones definitely Lbank, XT, Bitmart, and Mexc Global is probably the biggest one on here. So definitely check out the Mexc Global referral code. But also, if you want to get this token off of a decentralized exchange, it is available on Jupiter, Raydium. You will just need a Solflare or Phantom wallet. You could fund it with Sol from a central exchange. And then using the contract address, make sure you have the right contract address, of course. You would trade your Sol for the Magnet token. But yeah, not tons of information. Most of the information is just basically in the numbers where you're going to find on Dex Screener, Dex Tools, very much a meme coin. But if you join their Twitter community linked on Dex Screener, you're going to find all sorts of people talking about the project, and you can kind of get involved with the community chat there about this meme coin. It says, I'm a magnet, you're a magnet, we are all magnets. I mean, yeah, just all sorts of crazy tweets in this. Yeah, so people are talking about the big Mexc Global listing on here. So yeah, check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Magnet? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.